was out here and Mckenzie's smaller Ipsy came in, so I'm going to show you what came in her Ipsy, and I'll link her Ipsy referral link below if you want to do it. There's 3 different sizes that you can get. I think it's a $12, a 25, and a 35. This will be the 25. She did get the 35, the bigger. Is it 35? I don't know. I'll put the prices of the 3 sizes on the side here. She did get the bigger one the other day, but she is not here right now, and that I don't know what she did. I think she took everything upstairs and took it out of the box, so I don't think I'm going to be able to show you that one. But she got actually 2 palettes in that. She did like it. So let's see what's in this one. All right, this is Make Waves. It looks like summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe on bright gloss, and go full bold. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. So I wonder if we're gonna have some colors in here that are bright. Oh, I saw that she was getting these. Did she get 2 of these? Okay, so these are some sort of Korean brand calming mask, Wakespeare calming masks. I wonder if she accidentally got 2 of these. How many come in here? All right, so this is some kind of a mask for your face. I thought I saw she was getting 5. It looks like she did get 5. So this is a sea berry brightening mask, a calming mask, and an avocado nourishing mask. So there's 3 masks that she got in here, and let's see the other, what she got in the other one, because I did see that she was getting 5. That's incredible to get 5 masks, and it's like you're getting a whole complete set, which is wonderful. But I actually think there's 6 in here, because I think there's 3 in this one too. Are they the same? Calming, brightening. Yeah, I don't know if she was supposed to get 2, but anyway, she got 2 packs of 3 masks each from the same brand. So 6 masks, so her and I can both do the same one and wear a couple masks this week. Maybe we'll do that because I think we could use some nourishment for our skin and some stress relief, some R&R. All right, then she got this Ciate London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. She'll probably like this, well, depending on what color it is. She wears a makeup. She doesn't wear lipstick, so I usually get her lipsticks. Oh, that bird sounds so pretty. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Oh, like purple and silver. I don't know if she'll wear that. I might wear that when I have my green eye color in. Today I have my natural eye color in. So, I hear you birds. You're so pretty. All right, so that is the Ciate London Marbled. They're making some noise. They probably want me to fill that beater up. All right, Flesh to Flesh Highlighting Powder. Here we go. And apparently it's a very soft powder, contains coconut and sunflower seed oils, pomegranate and ginger root extracts, and it's in the color Jump. I'm not gonna stick my finger in it because it isn't mine to do with. Oh, that's a beautiful, like, really pretty color that I think that's a champagne color. That's gonna be really good for her light skin tone. Her skin tone's a little bit lighter than mine. I have more of a medium and she's more of a fair. So that's cool. Then she got something by Thrive Cosmetics, great brand here. High Shine Reviving Topper, Vegan Collagen Complex. This is for your lips. It's called Lip Mate. And it looks like the color is Elfie Pink Shimmer. And she'll like this too. She does wear glosses, lip glosses. She wears those quite a bit. She just doesn't wear lipstick. So this will be perfect. But this looks like you can, ooh, look at that. I got sidetracked. I was like, what was, this looks like you can, and then I got sidetracked by the color. You can put this over your lipstick. Look. So this is gonna have a little pink if you wear it just on your own. That's gorgeous. She's gonna like that, I think. Especially for summer. What a beautiful color for summer. Today, I just have a lip liner on and I have the Fenty gloss on. And on my eyes, I have ColourPop shadows on in a palette I created myself. And then this is the Stila glitter. That's all I did today. I'm surprised it's quite an effect. I need to wear like oranges today and I'm wearing pink, but it's because I have all these clothes, so I'm probably gonna keep some things and not wear this later. All right, so this is by Good & Doc, a control blemish spot treatment. That's perfect. And this also has a brightening complex in it. So I've never heard of this brand. Have you guys? Oh, I hope everything's okay. It looks like a ambulance just went down the street. I've never heard of this brand, but she does suffer from some acne, especially around here. She did just get on birth control. That'll probably take care of it. But this is controlled blemish spot treatment. So if she does have like a breakout, she can just focus it on where the breakout is, which is good. That'll be good for her. And then this is so cute. And she did get the same thing, but a bigger one in the case, a bigger case, where this one's just a zip one. This has like racial equality right here. We've got all different colors of little people laying on the beach. Oh, I love it. That is so stinking cute. Good job, Ipsy. And she got a nice big one for like a carry case. It's like just a bigger one for travel, and here's a little one, so that'll be great. She actually really liked that too. She thought it was adorable, so I think she's gonna keep those. I don't know why she got two. If you guys got this, let me know. If maybe it was an accident, if she was supposed to get one and she got two were thrown in here. That's my guess, is that maybe she was just supposed to get one, because I think it's 5 items, and this would be she got 4 items here, and then 1, 2, so she got 6 plus the case. So well worth it. She's gonna enjoy this box. I'm going to zip it all back up for her so she can have the fun of opening it for the first time. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new around here, I hope you'll subscribe. Again, my name is Terri. I do a lot of beauty fashion unboxings, occasional vlogs, a little bit of everything around here. All my information is down below if you want to connect with me on social media. We do have a Facebook group called Southern Yankee as well, if you want to join us on that group. A lot of sharing and fun things going there. And I'm on Instagram as Southern Yankee 15, and I do have a contest going on right now, guys, for a Pat McGrath palette. It is the limited edition pink packaging for the first Divine Rose. So you do have to be subscribed, like it, and share to get that. So head on over to Southern Yankee 15 on Instagram and get hooked up so you can maybe win that Pat McGrath palette. That is a $125 palette. So I hope one of you guys wins, and I'll see you guys in the next video.